Hi, which one is bigger, 2/4 or 3/8? Confusing, is it? Not anymore, because today we are going to learn comparing fractions in a super easy way to always get it right. Let's say you and your friend go to a pizza shop and order a pizza. Now the pizza man gives you two pizzas, one to you and one to your friend. Now you ate 2 out of the 4 slices and your friend ate 3 out of the 8 slices. And now you both are discussing who ate more. And the discussion is not ending because it seems that 3 is bigger than 2. But now here your teacher Shraddha steps in and she comes in the shop and starts explaining. There are 2 ways in which we can compare fractions. One is the logical way and another is a trick. So I will first go by the logical way. Now, whenever I have 2 fractions, I can compare the fractions only when the denominators are same. Because only when the denominators are same, and as you know that the denominators represent the number of equally divided portions. So comparison can only be done when we are talking about same or like fractions wherein the denominators are same. So when you and your friend are discussing, I tell you, what if the pizza man had sliced your pizza into 8 equal halves? So now your slices that you ate become 4/8. Why? Because you ate 4 slices out of the equally 8 divided slices and your friend ate 3 slices out of the 8 equally divided slices. Now you tell me, who ate more pizza? Yeah, you ate more pizza. Why? Because you ate 4 slices and your friend only ate 3. So this was method 1, wherein I make the denominators same. Let's say I have another example. I have 2 fractions, 2/3 and 1/4. How do I compare these fractions? In this example, I will have to make the denominator same by finding the LCM of 3 and 4. What is LCM? LCM is least common multiple, and the common multiple or the least common multiple of 3 and 4 would be 12. So how do I make the denominator same? To make an equivalent fraction of 2/3, I multiply 3 by 4 to make it 12, but I also multiply the numerator by 4. So this becomes an equivalent fraction. Second fraction, 1/4, I multiply the denominator by 3 and the numerator by 3. The resultant fractions are 8/12 and 3/12. Now you very well know which fraction is greater. Once I have the denominator common, I only have to compare the numerators. As you can see, 8 is greater than 3. That is why 8/12 would be greater than 3/12. Or now I can say that 2/3 is greater than 1/4. Now let's switch on to method 2, which is a short trick. So talking about method 2, it involves cross multiplication. I'll write my first fraction, I'll write my second fraction. Now, to compare both the fractions, you will cross multiply and you will multiply 8 by 2 and 4 by 3. Now 8 multiplied by 2, and you will write here on the top 8 times 2 is 16 and 4 times 3 is 12. Now which one is greater, 16 or 12? Since 16 is greater, that is why 2/4 is greater than 3/8. Simple? Let's take another example to understand this better. Let's say I have 2 fractions, 3/5 and 5/7. The numerators are different and the denominators are different and they don't have any common factor. How do we compare these 2 fractions? They don't have any common factor also. Simple. Just cross multiply. I will multiply this 5 with this 5 and this 7 by 3 and write the answer on the top here. So 7 times 3 is 21. I'll write here. and 5 times 5 is 25. I'll write here. As you can see that right hand side 25 is greater than 21. That is the reason 5 over 7 would be greater than 3 over 5. Right? Was it not simple? So today we learned two methods. Method 1, either you got to make the denominators common, or the second or the trick is to cross multiply and then check. I hope this video made your understanding a bit more better. Keep learning. Wish you the best.